Tooth enamel is fascinating. Did you know it's the hardest substance in the human body? Even tougher than bone. This incredible outer layer protects our teeth from decay and damage. It's made mostly of minerals, primarily hydroxyapatite, which gives it that strength. But here's the catch: enamel doesn't regenerate. Once it's gone for good. That's why taking care of your teeth is so crucial. Brushing, flossing, and regular dental visits help keep that tough armor intact. So, next time you smile, remember the powerhouse that's working hard behind the scenes.